Dream up a knight's shield, strong and protected, with a powerful emblem emblazoned upon it. That's the D of Gothic Textura. This letter is a symbol of defense, security, and resilience. The ascender, the tall, upward-reaching stroke, is like the shield's handle, providing a firm grip. The curved stroke, the main body of the D, is like the shield's protective surface, shielding its bearer from harm. And the descender, the downward extending stroke, is like the shield's base, providing a solid foundation. The D is a letter that inspires confidence and courage. It's a testament to the power of protection and the importance of standing strong in the face of adversity.